never leave.
So we thought we'd do a room tour of number 648 in the Bloc Hotel in the South Terminal. So when you come in, you've got your bathroom on the left hand side. So we did sleep here last night, so it is in like used condition, if that makes sense. So with this one, it's not like the normal Bloc Hotel bathrooms. Normally you have like a wet room which is on top of the toilet. This isn't the case. You have your own little shower cubicle which has got the big shower head at the top. You can have like a waterfall version, or you can be hit from the side, and then you've got a little handheld one as well. You've got complimentary soap hand stuff, bougie mirror, sink and stuff, which is cool. Nice big mirror, sort of floor to ceiling mirror as well over there where Anastasia got ready. In here as well, you have also got like a wardrobe. We didn't bother unpacking our stuff last night just because it's like neatly packed away, and I don't think we'd get it all back in otherwise. As we said, just slept in the bed last night. It was super comfortable, great sleep, although we was up extremely early this morning. Like, just look at like, that is so like epic, like the headboard and that kind of thing. So we have got the corner room, which is what the this room facilitates. And one of my views, there's little Stassi hiding over here. So not much to look at over this side, but as you pan round, you start seeing the planes, and then you can watch them take off and land and stuff, which is very, very good. Got a second sink over here, which we're not sure what the purpose it was for. We washed a couple of glasses up out there. You got this cute little seat, which is comfy, isn't it?
Yes, very comfy.
It's like a really good seat, to be fair, isn't it? To sit and watch stuff, and then just the side of the bed with a thing. We really like the lights as well. I don't know if you can see them in the video because they're quite bright. They're like blocks, some would call them. We called them cubes last night, but thinking about it, they're probably blocks. And then on the phone you have like an app to control the room. But yeah, overall, epic way to start a incredible holiday. So I hope you like the video, and we will continue with the vlog.